Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican food channel. In today's video, we're making this delicious fresas con crema with pecans. Alright, let's get our ingredients together. We're gonna need 2 packs of strawberries. We're gonna take off the stem from the strawberry and start cleaning them up. This is the perfect dessert to make for Valentine's Day if you're on a budget. Did you guys know that strawberries are packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants? They're also sodium-free, fat-free, and cholesterol-free. Just want to take a quick moment to remind you guys to please like and subscribe. After you're done removing the stems from the strawberries, go ahead and wash them. Now that they're all washed, we're gonna start cutting them. You can cut the strawberries however you want, but this is how I like to cut them. Start off by cutting the back part of the strawberry. I'm not gonna fast forward this so you can see you can get this done within 20 minutes. Be careful not to cut yourself, these are a lot of strawberries. I'm trying so hard not to eat these right now because they look so good. For those who don't know, Fresas con Crema is a simple Mexican dessert made with fresh strawberries coated in a cold, creamy sauce. You can also have it as breakfast with granola on top. Best part of all, you don't have to bake it. Yummy! This is a very popular recipe in Mexico, especially in Guanajuato and Michoacán. They have the largest producer of strawberries there. Strawberry fields forever. These last 5, I'm gonna cut them into smaller pieces because I'm gonna use them as my topping. Esta es una receta súper fácil. Now that we're finally done cutting our strawberries, we're gonna put them in a bowl and add some sugar. Here I added about 3 tablespoons. You're gonna give it a quick mix and set it aside. Now we're gonna work on the crema. Start off by adding 2 cups of sour cream into your bowl. Next, you're gonna add half a can of evaporated milk. That looks about right. Next, you're gonna add a whole can of la lechera, sweetened condensed milk. This adds the sweet touch everyone loves in Fresas con Crema. Make sure you get it all in there. You can mix this yourself or you can put it in the blender to make it easier on yourself. Next, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Give it a quick mix. Now add in 1/4 of a cup of pecans. If you're just tuning in, I just want to remind you guys to like and subscribe. Now that everything's done, we're gonna start putting our fresas con crema together. You can serve this all in one bowl or you can serve it individually. Now start adding in the crema. Some for you. And some for you. A little bit for you too. Tad bit of a lot for you. And last but not least, a little bit for you. Try to fill these up, but not too much because we're still gonna add our strawberries on top. Now for the strawberries. And last but not least, the taste test. This is so good. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe of fresas con crema. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram and see you guys on the next one.